Henkel is contributing to the advancement of e-mobility by offering many different product families that can help in the efficiency and the overall longevity of the vehicles that are being produced. So there's a few key trends that are happening right now that are impacting e-mobility. The first one would be the cost of the battery itself. The cost of a kilowatt hour in 2010 was around $1,000 per kilowatt hour. By the year 2030, that cost should be reduced to about $73 per kilowatt hour. So by reducing the cost of the overall battery system, making it a lot more affordable for a lot of people, which will give us the ability to manufacture more vehicles. The second would be some of the regulation that's happening right now. Many of the governments are asking for regulation to reduce the amount of CO2 that's being put into the air or into the atmosphere. And obviously e-mobility is a key factor in that role. Third would be the overall range of the electric vehicle. So the original electric vehicles probably had 60, 70 miles worth of range. Now there's vehicles out there that have 200, 250 miles of range per car. So chemistry is very vital to e-mobility as it helps to protect the components that are used within the power generation, the power conversion, and the power storage systems of the vehicle's architecture. Sealants that might be used in order to keep out external elements, thermal management materials that help to manage the heat within those systems, and circuit board protection products which can actually cover the entire system and make sure that they're protected from outside elements as well.
Structural adhesives are used in multiple locations, cell-to-cell bonding, actually bonding the battery walls, and also internal battery components inside the battery cell. With the introduction of structural adhesives into battery packs, you can use different substrates. We can use SMC, aluminum, different metals, different composites. All those things are bondable with using structural adhesives. Gaskets are used to seal the upper and lower components of a battery pack. It's important to do that because you're sealing against environmental issues such as water, dust, salt spray. Structural adhesives help with the durability and longevity of an internal component on a battery pack. Really lend itself to long life and reduce warranty concerns.
There's active cooling systems that are used underneath the batteries to help manage that temperature. But still, a material is needed in between that cooling system and the lithium-ion battery itself to make sure that the heat is efficiently transferred both to the battery in order to preheat it and from the battery in order to make sure that it maintains a constant temperature somewhere between 25 and 45 degrees C.
Well, we at Henkel can provide not only a variety of products, but we can also provide the engineering expertise needed to help a customer. We'll visit a customer, understand the application, work with them if we see any design changes that need to be done, and then actually bring components in, do the bonding, sealing the components in our lab, get them comfortable with our products, how they're dispensed, how they're cured, and then share that expertise at the plant level when production starts.